Are you gonna get on? Yeah.
That was fun, Bella?
You wanna go on one of the slides? Good?
Bella, you're the same size as that thing.
Look, go right there. Ya sabes. Ready? More.
What happened?
Bella. Ponte. ¿Quieres llevarte los otros? Alright, go up. Right here.
You got it, Bella?
This is little. Grab the balloon, grab the balloon. Hi. Alright, come What? No, it's the same as the other one.
You already did that one. Go ahead.
Do it. No, you put
Just one step at a time, Bella. You're good. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Scary, bro. We're like, we would. I was like, that shit looks scary.
It was fun?
It's fun, Daddy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We need to take her to the water one when she's a little bigger.
Yeah. Wait for me. That was fast.
Yeah.
You wanna go again? Yeah?
Having a blast, Bubba?
I wanna get on the slide.
You want to go on?
I wanna go on that first one, that really big one.
Another one. Oh, she knows the drill now. Busters. She's gonna be a ninja warrior.
Squeeze!
Oh, this is the hard one.
This is the next American Ninja Warrior right here. All right, Bella. Here you go.
No, the other one was bigger.
You did already twice that. Go fast. Go fast.
¿Cómo You have 4 more tickets. Where are you gonna go? Okay, let me see. No. You wanna go in?
Please.
Or should we go get more tickets? More tickets? Yeah. Okay.
You go and then Joey stay with me.
Okay.
You want me to leave her alone? I'll go with her.
Yeah, because I want to Woodland. Mommy to Woodland. Because you're my friend. You're my favorite friend.
What? Well, if I'm her favorite friend, then I have to. I got all types of grub here.
What flavors do you want from the shaved ice?
Our flavors are right there in the.
Okay, what flavor do you want? Let's see. You want bubble gum?
Yeah.
There's no coca.
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum? Okay. Some nachos? Bubble gum shaved ice. ¿Quieren algo? ¿Unos nachos?
What the heck? What is that, Bella? What is that?
Corn.
It's what?
Corn.
What'd she say?
Ice cream cone. But it's shaved ice.
Shaved ice.
Mm.
That looks like some good like baseball field nachos. Oh, I'm okay, thank you. I want some of Mari's.
Big bag.
No. He said that you called him Big Bag.
I didn't.
What do you think I called you?
You called me Big Bag.
Slaughtered those. Ew. Little mini pumpkin. Quick pricing. Hey, so these ones are free?
I don't know. I would want a little one. This.
Yeah? Yeah, you could get a mini one to paint. And I'll get a giant one. Bye-bye.
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly head.
Tell him stop being a chicken. He's gonna peck it out of your hand.
Dude, they're already people.
Chilling. Feed them. He booked it. And then he came back, look. They're homies. All the ducks are hiding from them. Oh, there's a little baby goat in there too. Hey, they won't let you pet them or what? What happened, Bella? Back at it again. Bella, are you having fun?
Yeah. It's so amazing.
That's so amazing. All right. Now you're not scared, huh? Wait for him, Bella. Wait for him. Bella's all not scared now. I missed it, Bella.
It was good.
You're gonna have to go again. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, you good? You good?
Yeah.
What happened?
The ice was stuck in my throat.
Oh my gosh, Bella. Going in the maze.
Hey, where can I go?
Why?
They made me a little ticket.
Oh my.
Her side, because her is my favorite.
Yeah?
Wow, you switch favorites a lot. Oh my gosh. Oh snap, Bella. Let's go.
No scaring her.
Nope, this is the entrance. This is where you guys started.
I'm right here.
I think it's all a dead end. Alright guys, we gotta go up. We gotta go up. Just got my horchata latte. Oh, don't say shit. Hey, take this 17 doors. Watch out, Bella.
You did it. Dude, this is confusing.
Oh, dang it. Hey, look how cool. That's the way. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
We're here! Mommy!
Where, Bella, where?
Found it?
Yeah! Same way.
Uh-oh.
Es como que tienes que encontrar la salida. Laberinto.
So she said that?
Hey, take off your shoes.
Bella, your botas.
Rachel. Okay.
That was fun? Come on, come on, come on. Pull yourself up. Pull, pull, pull. Pull. The chain. Bella. Bella. You're gonna go fly? Look at her. Little genius. You said you'll try your best? You're gonna do great. She might cry.
She's gonna cry.
Be strong girl, okay? No crying.
I'm gonna tell Papi. How are you gonna skate? Say bye to the video.
Bella, say cheese. You guys have fun? What happened? What
I
happened?
gotta make you go there and cry.
Yeah, you're doing good. She's like, I didn't cry.
I was gonna cry.
Why?
I was getting queasy.
I could tell something was going on halfway
Why?
through.
She kept wanting to turn it. What?
Oh, this one? That's a really good one right there, huh, Bella?
Can you get it for me?
You love it? Oh, it's all beat up on that side, though.
I like this color.
The brighter orange. There's more bright orange ones over there. Get in there, Bella. Oh, that one's nice.
This one?
Look at that little one. Oh, look how cool this one is. It has a spooky little stem. Oh, it's kind of ugly, but we're gonna paint them. Hey, we're gonna paint them, right? We're gonna paint them this year?
I like that one. Look,
Yeah, I like it. If you don't take it, I'll take this one.
what about this one?
Alright, so we got the paints out. We decided we're gonna half carve, half paint them.
I can't believe we're back in Vermont. This is so nostalgic. I'm so happy. I love this place.